Pools are amazing, but they're also annoying, especially when it comes time to clean them because they get very dirty, and this is where Aiper comes in. Now, I've actually bought multiple Aiper pool cleaning robots. I'm a huge fan of using robots for monotonous tasks around the house, you guys know that, and this guy right here is the best one of them. It is the Scuba S1 Pro. And even though the other Aipers are great, this thing has some groundbreaking new world's first technology, with one of them being their horizontal waterline cleaning, which they call their Waveline technology. Most basic robots just clean the floor, some will go up the wall, while this one can use its lateral dual jet technology to clean the waterline. And that allows it to have uninterrupted right side horizontal waterline cleaning, and it utilizes the front rolling brush to remove all stains within 3 to 4 centimeters of the waterline. And that allows it to effectively remove all waterline stains, any oil buildup, any algae buildup, any other debris that are there. And it does so effectively using its dual jets. So one of them will actually allow for suction and keep it attached, while the other one allows it to move sideways. And it can move like that for about 30 to 60 seconds going along that water line. And that's one of the worst parts where pools get nasty. That also makes it really easy to get the robot out without having to use a hook. And the cool thing is you actually have 4 controls at the top, and you can select just that waterline mode so it can go around and clean it. Now there's a few more modes. There is a regular bottom mode, they have a wall mode, then they have that waterline mode, and then an eco mode. And the eco mode will actually allow it to run once every 24 to 48 hours, up to 3 sessions to give you a week's worth of cleaning without even having to take the robot out. Now they also have the Aiper app where you can connect to this and be able to change your settings. Now this thing is incredibly powerful. It could actually move 100 gallons per minute, which will suck up all common pool debris. I actually had it suck up a couple of rocks that my kids threw into the pool, as well as a small toy. I was shocked. And of course it's gonna filter out any sand, any debris, dirt, leaves, all sorts of stuff. And even with a pool that was started out clean, I still found stuff that it cleaned up, and of course it's gonna remove any algae, but it also has dual filters built in. Its dual filters have a 180 UM and a 3 UM filter that will get rid of all common debris from your pool water, and then the ultrafine filter will remove invisible algae and floating debris, so it gives a super deep clean. Now one cool thing is that this is designed for longevity. If you're gonna buy something like this, you want it to last for a long time, and you want it to save you money compared to hiring somebody out to come weekly to clean your pool, while in the middle of that week it's gonna get dirty, where this can constantly work on it. And one of the ways that it's gonna last a long time is its brushless quad motors. This minimizes energy loss, so it's a lot more efficient, and it extends its longevity. Of course, it's also gonna get over-the-air updates, and a lot of the design is made to have easy cleaning and maintenance, so you can replace these tracks, you can replace the brushes, so this thing is gonna last a long time. Now, another thing that's so cool about it is how smart it is. It actually has quad infrared sensors that allows it to see where it's going, and if there's any obstacles in the way, it can avoid it. If you have stairs that are not meant to go up, it can actually go off, and as it's lining up to go up the wall, it can adjust so it can properly go up without falling down. Watching this thing work, it is by far the smartest robotic pool cleaner I've seen running. Instead of just doing random things, it will actually make a route just like you get with a robot vacuum cleaner, and it will follow that for your cleaning on the bottom. And you can even use the app to change a wall cleaning mode just to go up and down the sides. So that's smart. It also makes it more efficient without wasting your battery going around bumping into things. So you have the sensors in the front and you have the sensors in the back. Of course, one benefit is that it is an all-in-one unit. You don't have to have a cord sticking out or a vacuum line that's gonna get tangled, could unplug or mess up. You just turn it on, one button press, drop it in, and it is running and working. Now I like the automatic mode. You just set it, and then it's using its WavePath 2.0 intelligent path planning to maximize the efficiency in the clearing area. And that allows it to clean up to 2150 square feet of pool, and it gives it up to 180 minutes of running time per charge. And then you could just plug it into charge, or it's compatible with an onshore charging dock. So overall, if you're looking for an insanely good and smart pool cleaning robot that you could just click one button, it'll go in, and at the end, it'll actually come up and give you time to pull it out without having to use that hook, and have crazy suction, good filtration with a lot of replaceable parts that's gonna last you long term, keeping your pool really clean, and not only the bottom and the walls, but that water line as well. This thing is super nice, the best one I have used, and compared to hiring somebody to come out and clean your pool, it's gonna save you a ton of money while keeping it clean all the time. So if you guys wanna check it out, go ahead and check out the links down below. Click that circle above to subscribe. This has been Max, and I'll see you in the next one.